everyone, this is Milk and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about how to and style and arts and craft, food, and if you want to join me to explore different places as we travel, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification button so you don't miss anything. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a coffee drink that has taken the internet by storm, the Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee originated from South Korea and it was popularized by a Korean actor back in January of this year. It's all over the internet since then and a popular drink to make during quarantine amid the coronavirus outbreak. So let's jump in and begin. For watching. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and please comment down below for any suggestions. Stay safe and healthy everyone, and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.